Hello beautiful people, guess what? I got chance to visit LTIMindtree office which is in Powai, Mumbai. Actually, I shot this video back in December when I visited LTIMindtree office. I didn't realize I would be capturing a moment just before big transformation. But I'm posting it now and there is a big update since then. LTIMindtree has officially rebranded itself as LTM Limited. This campus is known for modern infrastructure and collaborative workspaces and proximity to the IIT area and the Saki Vihar Road. It's easily accessible just about 1.5 km from Marol Naka metro station and less than 2 kilometers from Andheri railway station. This is the reception area. The reception desk is right up front with friendly staff ready to help. And there is comfortable sitting around perfect visitors waiting for meetings. The lighting is bright but warm, giving the whole space a really inviting feel. This is the lift area on the ground floor, and from here we can go to the cafeteria section, that is our canteen. We will come back to this section afterwards. What I loved most was how the office blends professionalism with a friendly atmosphere. Alright, guys, check out this. The office even has its own gym. It's super convenient for the employees who want to squeeze in a workout before or after work. Guys, now let me show you the little gem inside the office, the private sitting area. Unlike the open spaces, this one has a more closed, cozy vibe. It's designed for quiet work. The setup is modern yet minimal, with comfortable chairs and partitions that gives you privacy without feeling cut off. Honestly, it's perfect balance between being part of office energy and having your own space to think. And now we are at the canteen area. So compared to the Mahape office, the Powai canteen is little smaller, but it is having cozy vibes. It feels more personal and relaxed. And now the best part is the food. The food taste is absolutely on point. From snacks to full meal, everything is flavorful and satisfying. Honestly, I look forward for lunch breaks and even for the snacks break. So each day we get different snacks option. So there is always something new to try, and that's what makes it fun to capture these moments. And these snacks videos were shot on different days. They are not all from single day because menus keeps changing. This is my favorite snack item, chaat, masala puri and coffee. The coffee here is really good, rich in flavor, just the right kick to keep me going through the day. And the chaat here is really tasty. Every bite has a mix of spices and tanginess and a freshness. I just love the chaat. Even we have ragda puri and chev puri, which is really tasty, and you must try this. Even if you are coming here, don't miss out the chaat. You must try. And also, I have to mention the people who serve the food. They are always smiling and super polite and makes the whole experience even better. It's not just about eating, it's about feeling welcomed. You will see colleagues catching up over the plates of hot food, sharing laughs, and recharging for the rest of the day. It's a reminder that sometimes smaller spaces bring us closer together. Let me show you another corner of our office that's always buzzing, the MRP counter stall. This is where we can grab quick bites and treats. You will find wafers, chocolates, biscuits, and even ice cream and soft drinks. It's super convenient whether you want something sweet, crunchy, or chilled. The stall has it covered. Now we are going to pantry area. This is my favorite area of the office. On the way to the pantry area, we can see there are washrooms. Washrooms are really clean. And this is pantry. Just look at the space. It's not your typical office pantry at all. The design is super creative with vibrant colors and cozy seating and the layout that feels more like cafe than workplace. And there is a coffee machine, chairs and tables where people can relax or catch up with colleagues. Honestly, it's a such refreshing break from the usual office vibes. And you can see they have put thoughts into making this area fun and welcoming. It's kind of a place where you would actually want to hang out, whether it's grabbing a quick bite or brainstorming ideas over coffee. I just love this space. So it's time to go home, and this is again I'm at reception area. Just have a look around.
Okay guys, and bye. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.
How it's supposed to feel.